Hi, my name's Sarah. I'm going to be a sophomore at the Dalton School. For my main project at Milestone, I made a voice-activated LED matrix. There are a lot of different colors and combinations that you can choose from, but I'm just going to show you a few. Green. Checkers. Right now I'm talking to my computer. Okay. Checkers. Checkers. Rainbow. Off. Okay, so how the voice control works is you give the computer a command, and using Apple's dictation ability, it will open whatever app you tell it to. So I made a bunch of apps that will then run a Python script that I wrote. And each Python script will activate an Arduino code that corresponds with the message that it received. Since there is limited space on my Arduino, I had to use shift registers in my project. The shift registers allow me to control 8 outputs each, so I use 3, and so you can control as many shift registers as you want and only use 3 pins on the Arduino, and that was really helpful because I had 192 outputs that I needed to control, and as you can see, there are a lot of wires, so that was really important for me to have limited space, to minimize space. And the shift registers also allowed me to control the colors that I can display. So if the red one is on and the green one is on, it will display yellow. So each one is connected to a different color on the RGB LEDs. So I also was able to control the anodes. Like right now the RGB LEDs were just connected to the cathodes, so that controls 3 different pins on the LEDs, but then the anodes control whether it's on or off. And so that means I can control the rows and the columns, so individual lights can turn on and off, so that's how I got the checkers to work. With that, I can make a bunch of different animations that I wouldn't have been able to make before, and I'm able to make very complicated designs, and it can even move and do whatever you want, really. I had a lot of problems with it since it was very complicated to deal with because it was confusing and frustrating since there were so many wires, as you saw. But I'm really happy that I did this because it taught me a lot about engineering and computer science that I hadn't known before, and it was just a really great experience. So, thank you.